W has many sounds. Ow, as in out. Oo, as in group. Ah, as in cough. And as in enough.
Shout, pound, about, ground, sound, hour, house, lout, pout. Mouse, ounce, flounce, found, grout, hour, flower, south, trout. Outer, rouse, lounge, mount, shouting, round, house, countless, trounced. Boundary, found, stout, shouted, dower, pound, prouder, couch, south. Spout, amount, announce, grounded, compounded, foundations, compounds, founder, runabout. The Housing Department and the County Tax Inspector found the accountant's accounts. Sally counted out the pounds, which were urgently needed to work on the castle's accommodation. Living close to the house was too cold for the old man and his wife. The cold water fountain did not flow because the water in the underground tunnels had slowed to a trickle through the network of old and rusty pipes which thread through the cellar. When the water found the grounds by the south gate, it was much too slow to flow. The ground workers were sent to Southampton to pick up the king, and then to Louth to pick up the royal bandsmen playing flounders in the marketplace. A special train roused the nation as they played the astounding sound of the anthem, "Don't Show the Grouse Around the House." As the king was crowned, there came a hound who bounded by the woman selling in the marketplace.